Hi, today's March 7th, and in like 5.5 hours, me and 19 of my friends are leaving for a road trip to Florida from Ohio. And it's gonna be so sick and fun. So I just finished packing, and now we're gonna go. How far? We are 8 hours and 20 minutes away from our destination.
We're practically there. We might as
We're honestly
there.
Okay, so it was about a 13-hour car ride from Columbus to St. Augustine, and our entire group took 4 separate cars. And in my car, we had Kevin, Brian, Mia, Mushu, and me.
How far out are we?
2 hours.
A few hours. We are a few hours out from our destination.
I got one that's like basically choose one of those metric.
Hi! We're what, 10 minutes out?
10 minutes out! Arrival time 7:02!
Man, I'm so sick of driving. I've been putting. Shut up!
How do you?
I really put this trip on my back.
You guys are welcome for sitting all the way back.
Oh, yeah, yeah,
you're the
man.
real hero.
You're the real MVP.
You're welcome for not being difficult the entire time.
Woo!
I can't stop dreaming. Wake me up, I need to tell you.
Okay, so I totally thought that I was in frame for this clip, but I guess I wasn't. But basically all I'm saying is that everything has been super fun so far, and I can't wait to spend more time with my friends relaxing.
The house that we have is also just so beautiful and great, and you can see the ocean from the porch. I think today we're just going to go grocery shopping, get some food, and just kind of chill on the beach. How cold is it in the water right now? 62 degrees. Today is beach day. Tomorrow we're going kayaking in the morning with manatees. That's gonna be so much fun and so cool. But then tonight, so today beach day, tonight is taco night. We're all gonna make tacos, it's gonna be great. Tomorrow, kayaking in the morning. It's gonna be so much fun. It's also a little bit chilly today, but that's fine. You can still have fun on the beach when it's chilly.
What you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Let this cool. Oh.
Oh yes.
Hello?
Hello?
We're cooking.
We're cooking?
Taco night.
Taco night?
Taco Tuesday. Taco Tuesday.
Oh man.
Family din.
Big happy family.
Big happy family din din diddy. Diddy din din diddy.
Where's Diddy? Diddy! Hi Diddy.
Got nervous.
Yeah. Wait, does anyone have spray sunscreen by any chance?
I'm gonna go fight a gator.
Amazing. This is so beautiful. Apparently there's a big pit over here.
Or, I don't know. It really doesn't matter.
Wait, I don't see the pit.
This is waterproof, right? I kind of want to get some of.
Yeah, that's all you need to do.
I might try to get some of this action on your GoPro. Oh my god!
Yeah.
Wait, what? How did you know there was a pit there? Did you just sense it? That's huge!
No, I was walking over here and I saw a pit.
Bro,
Like,
what
oh,
the
that's cool.
fuck? That's giant.
Go, Pat. That's the update. How long will that take?
It's like 56%.
Oh, that's pretty fast. to downtown and then to Pier. So this was our last full day in Florida, and we spent most of it on the beach, then went downtown to eat dinner and take more photos. But first, Nathan flew his drone, and it was kind of epic.
It's to ride out of town. We'll just drive until I feel. And I'm tired and I'm wired, but pride won't let me, so I'll keep driving through to Florida. I'll keep driving through to Florida. I just want a simple life, for you to think of me sometimes. I need to find my feet, but I can't help missing. So I'll keep driving through to Florida. I'll keep driving through to Florida. We've been together for some time, but we both know we're just existing. We only got together 'cause it was to be expected. So I'll keep driving